There are many variations of peasant dances that some of them was being adopted by the aristocracy. So later it was being developed as and it's now called ballet. So what is ballet?
Baling-balay ang iyong katawan.
Ballet originated in the court of Italy and it became a professional discipline by the 17th century. So it first originated in Italy and video kaya? Video na. So, ballet is said to be a major...
Dito ko marap.
Yes. Said to be a major form of Western culture. So now, ballet is a culture in Western Nakita ko! Bakili naman pa! Sige ko yung mercy! Makeup na naman! Ano ba yung kumain? Paano siya na namin? Nabayad yan. Oo, sige. Tapos
Kabanda ako ng
sige na namin. Nagparang paano? Di mo alam na email ko eh.
Kabakit.
Lalo pa na wala ako. Okay. The ball court. Okay, so the oldest
Gawin mo pa kasi si Mama.
forest passage. Anong plane? Akala ko ba walang zoo? Bakit may zoo? Oo nga, sabi ko. Bata yung pambata. Or naman hindi ko sa balay yung balay. Balay. Yay!
Para may report na eh, report.
No, I don't know. So, not this.
Dito yan. May report si May, nagsipasok tong mga tayo, wala na. Oh, sige.
It's